Good morning, student. Welcome to this channel of fluid mechanics and machinery. In this session, we are going to learn different mechanical engineering properties of fluids. Let us take first important mechanical engineering property of fluid is mass density or specific mass. It is defined as the mass of fluid per unit volume, and it is expressed in kg per meter cube. Mathematically, rho is equal to mass of fluid upon volume of fluid, that is equal to mass upon volume. It is represented by letter rho. As mass is measured in kg and volume is measured in meter cube, so the unit is kg per meter cube. If m is the mass of fluid and V is the volume of fluid, then we can represent the mass density as rho is equal to m upon V, and in SI units its units kg per meter cube. So mass density or density, it is also known as specific mass. It is the ratio of mass of fluid per unit volume. It is defined by letter rho, or it is denoted by letter rho, Greek letter, and it is in SI units is expressed as kg per meter cube. If m is the mass of fluid and V is the volume of fluid, then rho will be equal to m upon V, and it is represented or it is expressed in kg per meter cube. Here we consider standard fluid as water. So standard fluid is taken as water, and the specific mass of water at 4 degrees Celsius is 1000, so rho W is equal to 1000 kg per meter cube. The next important property of fluid is specific weight or weight density. The specific weight or weight density is defined as the ratio of weight of fluid to the volume of fluid, or it is also defined as the weight of fluid per unit volume. It is represented by, or it is indicated by, Greek letter gamma, and its units Newton per meter cube. Let us go through definition. Specific weight or weight density. The specific weight or weight density of the fluid is defined as the ratio of weight of fluid per unit volume. It is denoted by letter gamma, and in SI units it is expressed in Newton per meter cube. Mathematically, weight density is equal to weight of fluid upon volume of fluid, or weight upon volume. Now gamma is equal to W upon V, where W is the weight of fluid and V is the volume of fluid, and gamma is the weight density. As W is equal to mg and rho is equal to, that is the mass density, is equal to m upon V. So substituting these values, gamma is equal to m into g upon V, and m upon V is equal to rho, so gamma is equal to rho into g, and it is indicated, or its units Newton per meter cube. The next important property of fluid is specific volume. The specific volume of a fluid is defined as the volume per unit mass. Let us go to definition. Specific volume. It is volume possessed by the fluid per unit mass, and it is denoted by letter Vs. So let us go through the definition. Specific volume. It is volume possessed by the fluid per unit mass. For example, the 1 kg mass of water possesses 1 liter volume, that is 0.001 meter cube volume at 4 degree Celsius. Hence, specific volume of water is 0.001 meter cube per kg. It is denoted by letter Vs. Mathematically, we can write the specific volume Vs is equal to volume of the fluid upon mass of fluid. If V is the volume of fluid and M is the mass of the fluid, then we can write Vs is equal to V upon M. Now, as the mass density rho is equal to M upon V, we can transfer mathematically Vs is equal to 1 upon in the bracket M upon V. As M upon V is equal to rho, so we can write rho instead of M upon V. So Vs is equal to 1 upon rho. So specific volume is inverse of the mass density, or Vs is equal to 1 upon rho.